Leo, 1st to 10th October. Leo crush, 1st to 10th October. Leo crush, 1st to 10th October. What Leo crush has feelings for Leo? Leo crush current feelings, 1st to 10th October. Leo crush current feelings, 1st to 10th October. The Hangman. Leo crush thoughts, 1st to 10th October. Leo crush thoughts, 1st to 10th October. Leo crush intentions, 1st to 10th October. Clarify the Two of Pentacles reverse. Clarify Two of Pentacles reverse. Bottom of the deck is Justice. Clarify the Justice reverse. Clarify the Temperance reverse. Okay, very critical cards. Crush. What your crush is thinking, Leo. So your crush is not thinking about love, about love and all this right now. And as far as the intention is concerned, so your crush is involved in financial matters, or you are one who is involved with him or her in financial matters. But your crush wants to justice with two people. It can be finance, it can be love, it can be anything, but your person don't want to do injustice with anybody, whether it's love, whether it's finance. So intentions are very good. Okay. And what your crush is thinking, okay, your crush wants to make sure one thing, wants to come out from puzzled and confused situation, and wants to be on the right path, on one path, and don't want to again involved in any other matter. So want to choose one thing, one person, and want to lead all the rest of your life with that person. Okay. It can be you, it can be someone else, but there's a financial matter is also involved. Maybe a person is looking a very financially stable person, or maybe you looking financially stable person, but finance is important in this wedding. Actually your person has so many plans to do, and your person knows it, your crush knows it, that he or she will not do justice with everything. Maybe your crush is involved in third party, it can be work, it can be another person, it can be business, it can be family work. And as far as you concerned, if your crush wants to be with you, or wants someone else in his or her life, or as well as financial matters want to establish at same time. So I think your crush knows that I cannot go with all these matters. I have to choose one matter, I have to choose one person, I have to go with one situation and one person. So I think your person is looking for financial stability, so he wants, or she wants to be a very stable person in life, but knows that I want this person for finance and this person for love. So I think the person knows that I cannot come, and I cannot make justice with both of them. So your crush is little bit confused about it. So I think your crush has so many challenges and opportunities and things in life, and let the person come from that all the things in his or her life.